right, guys, here we go. I really didn't want to post this, but I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with Mac parts. So it's gonna be a new part, scam, aftermarket, no refund, no warranty. So let me show you real quick. I bought this part brand new from the Mac dealer. It's a unit pump injector. Maybe you guys can see. It's a new part, you know. So it only lasted me a couple of hours. Then it went bad. Paid the mechanic to take it off. And the next day I took it back to the Mac dealer, Mac parts, where they sell new parts according to them. And this is what they told me. They said I have to buy another brand new injector to cover the warranty of this one, of the bad one. All right. And then I have to fill out a form, a claim form, and they'll go and take note of that. Now, if it's a new part, why do I have to buy another new part to cover the warranty? All right, so let's go to different things here. All right, here we go. I didn't leave the core. I only bought the part. Of course, you know they're gonna charge the core $760. Total amount 1,008. Okay, so I don't understand what's going on here with this, guys. They want me to buy a new part in order for them to cover for the new one that I bought with them. So, and plus, I'm gonna tell you guys another thing that kind of flipped me off. The manager said that this part, it's a rebuild from a third party. So I guess my question is, these parts are not made from Mac. They're made from another vendor. You guys can see. All right. So in this case, if they're gonna try to do that too, and this is just a warning for you guys as truck drivers, just keep an eye on it. All right, they're not gonna treat you like you buy a new part or anywhere else, get your refund, and you know you fix the problem. No, they want you to spend another $700 or $1,000 for them to cover the expenses. All right, so that's no good. It looks bad on Mac, of course, so be aware of that, guys. Parts from the Mac dealer, they're not new parts. They're rebuilt, reconstructed from a third party, and they try to sell it as a new retail price. And if you have a problem with a part, according to their policy, they won't return your money unless you buy another part, another brand new one. So let's say if I were to buy another one, I would have to return this and see if they can get me a refund on this one. Why wouldn't they just exchange the bad one? Exchange it. It's a new part. It's still covered warranty. Why don't they do that? I mean, I can just imagine if you go to Best Buy or Sam's or Walmart and they start doing that type of stuff to all consumers. That just doesn't make any sense. So keep an eye on it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.